I'm Claire Kelly, editor of Caravan magazine, and I'm here today to talk to you about Witter. Witter have been in business for around 70 years, and they've been helping caravanners enjoy their adventures safely. They're the industry-leading manufacturer of tow bars and also a lead supplier of aftermarket products, including bike racks and motor movers. You can't tow without a tow bar, and once you've got the right one, you can begin your adventure with real peace of mind. Witter have been designing, developing and perfecting tow bars for nearly 70 years, and keeping you safe is key. All Witter tow bars are thoroughly tested and developed to Regulation 55. To put it simply, this regulation is in place to ensure that all coupling devices meet the strictest safety standards. Not only that, but all Witter tow bars come with a shield of safety and guarantee, and that's why they've been the trusted name for so many years. And because Witter are part of the Horizon Global Group along with Westfalia, this offers you even more choice of products. There's more than 5,000 tow bars for sale to suit each and every car's own specification, and Witter have experts who can help you make the right decision and fit it for you at one of the centres, or you could opt for mobile fitting and let the team come to you. To begin with, all you need to do is visit Witter's website and enter your registration number. Look how easy it is. While you're on the site, you can find out more about the main types of tow bar: fixed flange, detachable flange, fixed swan neck, detachable swan neck and retractable. There's something that will work for your budget and your car. Of course, if you'd rather talk to someone, you can just pick up the phone. And once you've sorted your tow bar, you're free to hitch up and head out there. Caravanning opens the door for taking holidays whenever you choose, and if you love exploring, you might well want to take your bike with you. Many of the bike racks on offer are mounted directly to the tow ball, either through clamp or bolt, and all tilt forward so you can easily access all the stuff you keep in the car boot. And if you're anything like me, that's everything but the kitchen sink, because of course that's in my Caravan. Whether you want to take 2 bikes on tour, 3 or 4, there's a bike rack to suit your lifestyle and your budget, and prices start at under £200. Some of the bike racks on offer will even take e-bikes. You could opt for 7-pin electrics and add a 13-pin adapter should you wish for full functionality, which will power your indicators and brake lights. Picture the scene. You've arrived at the campsite. The pitch is a bit tight and there's lots of people coming in and out. All you want to do is get the caravan pitched and open the wine. But why does it have to be so stressful? And then when you leave, you have to do it all over again in reverse. Well, it doesn't have to be stressful, not at all. A motor mover might well be a good move for you. This small mechanical tool simply bolts onto the caravan chassis and makes moving it simple. You just need the remote control. Less fuss, less stress and less physical toll. That frees up more time for relaxing. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen today, and if you'd like any more information, please visit Witter's website.